This is an example of an automated trading bot application implemented in Rebar on top of the Binance Exchange and Smart Chain. The bot is designed to receive a signal from the buy the dip service and then check the support levels of the currencies in question against an outside oracle. If it meets the criteria for the order, an order is created on the Binance Exchange and executed, and the results are persisted onto the Smart Chain. Now let's take a look at how the application was created inside of the Rebar process diagram editor. What you see here is the drag and drop interface for the low code, no code portion of Rebar, where a user can select from different types of assets and create applications, user interfaces, and bot automation steps in order to achieve certain outcomes or business process automation steps. In this case, we want to look at the execute order function and then perhaps add an extra step onto the end that allows the user to be notified when an automated trade has happened. So if they're not in their dashboard and watching, they can still get a notification via email with all the trade details. So let's start by looking at what execute order does. This is the meat of this particular bot. This is where the transactions happen on the smart chain, and this is where we want to do some modifications. For this demo, we're assuming that the bot was created originally to be on the Ethereum chain, and we want to change the implementation of the bot to use the Binance Smart Chain. So we'll start by opening up the process diagram editor's companion editor for workflows and look at the actual implementation of those particular steps. As you can see, it starts by using the Ethereum chain. We create a signature and sign a message that's going to be part of the smart contract call. We invoke a smart contract called purchase coin pair, passing it some arguments about the coin pairs that we want to purchase, the quantities, the bid price, and we want to use an Ethereum account that's configured this way. As you can see, this is on the test net. What we'd like to do is completely rework this bot to work on Smart Chain. And one of the interesting things about the way Rebar is implemented is it's blockchain agnostic, and we have support for a wide range of different blockchains, one of which is Binance Smart Chain. So if we take a personality block from the tool palette and we remove the Ethereum block and we snap in the Binance Smart Chain block, and of course we'd fill in all the appropriate contract addresses and ABI keys and pricing. Then we suddenly change the entire workflow and bot from being an Ethereum implementation to Binance. Makes the migration between chains very easy. And in fact, if we wanted to, we could execute the same contract in parallel on two chains. We'd simply add another block for doing the Ethereum transaction and leave the block for the Binance transaction, and we can do cross-chain transactions as easy as duplicating a few blocks in the editor.